Are you eager to kickstart your own e-commerce business but worried about high costs? Well, I have exciting news for you. Shopify is offering an incredible promotion. You can launch your online store for just €1 for the first 3 months. If you're curious about how to seize this opportunity, make sure to hit that subscribe button, leave a comment below, and check out the link in the description to dive deeper into the details. This latest offer is a golden opportunity for aspiring entrepreneurs looking to enter the e-commerce world without breaking the bank. Unlike some misleading claims floating around, Shopify has reinstated its fantastic deal of €1 for 3 months, starting just in time for Halloween 2024. This promotional period allows you to test out Shopify's excellent features while also benefiting from €100 worth of credits to explore their app store and tailor your store to your specific needs. So, what's so special about Shopify? It is renowned for being one of the best content management systems for e-commerce, enabling you to create and manage an online store with ease. And with this current promotion, you have ample time to start planning your business, picking your niche, and setting up your products. The essentials are just a click away, transforming your entrepreneurial dreams into a reality. Now, you might be asking, which Shopify plan is best for your new venture? There's the basic plan, which might initially seem appealing, but beware. It comes with high transaction fees that can quickly eat into your profits. Depending on your business goals, it's essential to choose a plan that offers robust features. The Shopify plan, while more expensive, opens up better options for a growing business. You get lower fees, more functionalities, and the ability to delegate tasks with employee accounts, making it a much smarter choice for serious entrepreneurs. In conclusion, Shopify's €1 for 3 months offer is a brilliant stepping stone into the world of e-commerce. Take advantage of this limited time promotion and explore the different plans available. By choosing the right plan, you can save on costs and ensure that your online store is set up for success. Don't forget to subscribe for updates, leave your thoughts in the comments, and click on the link provided to learn more. Your e-commerce journey starts now.